Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Crosses TV, them boy, them people every day, them get up on my name. Every day. What's your name again?
Tatiana.
Tatiana. Read back what you just said a while ago. Slowly,
Okay.
baby. Can remember you are
Okay.
seed, so you understand what you are saying. So, and I will elaborate back after that. Go on.
Okay. So according to the Bible, it says infidelity breaks the covenant of marriage in God's eyes,
All right.
and
Stop,
divorce is
baby. Stop.
okay.
We're going to do it line
Okay.
by line.
Mm-hmm.
Confident, government, have marriage, whatever. So if you're
Mm-hmm.
going to church, baby girl, and you
Mm-hmm.
got a boyfriend, and
Mm-hmm.
you got court, and you got to tell the pastor, your mother say you got married, you got to get all of that, and I got arrange the marriage, and then after that, you not have sex. None of that now happen in real life, baby. Nobody at
No,
all. The
but
church
no,
of
no, no.
fuck.
But
Wait,
that's not
wait.
it. Queenie, 1 second, 1 second. I'll let you talk. Let me talk.
Yeah.
My point is, you continue to say that you are upholding your vows, but what I'm saying is those vows have already been destroyed because of the fact that in God's eyes, infidelity, cheating, adultery breaks that covenant. So those vows are then broken, and divorce is assumed in God's eyes because that binding agreement has been destroyed.
What is
So there's
assuming in God's life?
whenever a husband or a wife cheat, then this is according to the Bible in Malachi 2, verse 13 to 16, you can read it. Whenever a husband or a wife cheats on their partner,
If a
divorce is
divorce,
assumed. Pardon me?
the Bible says if a divorce, in other words.
In God's eyes, you are already divorced because the covenant that was made between the two of you has been broken.
Okay, that's all like facts, but I like you send that to me when you're done. But put away what the
Yeah,
Bible
for
say
sure.
right now. Right now in this day and age, yeah, the Bible say you must sex after marriage, basically. Don't it?
Hmm.
Eh?
Yeah,
But none
yeah.
of that are the case, baby. That is not the case. So we done sin even before we're married. So this
No,
is
it's not
what
about
I'm
the sin,
saying.
Queen. It's not
Eh?
about the sin. It's not about the sin. And the reason why I brought this up is because I hear you always say that you're upholding your vows and you're sticking to your vows. But what I was just trying to,
So in your eyes, you said to me, said the fuck with the man fuck 100 times, I forgive up then.
well, according to the Bible, you don't have any more
Fuck you
vows
and the
because
Bible,
in
I go
God's
get you married.
eyes,
And fuck you, tell me, darling. You tell me, say,
oh,
because
okay,
the
it's
Bible,
in
when you tell me
Malachi,
this morning,
Malachi
because you
2,
see me prayer saw rain. Say, me I start to my
Malachi
phone.
2, verse
Wait
13
now,
to
you draft for
16.
the Bible. So tell me, say,
Mm-hmm.
the Bible say, me should have sex after my marriage. But I didn't sex
No, no,
after
no.
my
It's not
marriage.
about it. No, no, Queenie. That's not what I said. It's not about the sexing before the marriage or after the marriage. What I was saying is that when somebody gets married,
Yeah.
when they have sex, that is when the marriage is consummated. That's when the marriage is sealed, and that's when the marriage is. That's when you bind each other. That is when God sees it as okay. Now this is man and wife.
So what you're
The
saying,
the
before my
sexual
marriage, the
aspect of
sex
it.
not seal. But when my marriage
No,
on
no,
the
no.
night
It's
of
not
the
about the sex
honeymoon,
before marriage.
that sex
No, no,
seal
no.
by
It's
the
not. No, it's
Bible.
not
That's
about.
what you're saying.
No, it's no. I'm not. It's not about the sex before the marriage. Forget about before the marriage. What I'm saying is, when somebody gets married and they then have their what if it's honeymoon or whenever you do it, even if you do it in the limo on the way back to the reception or wherever,
At that time, the
the
marriage
first time
seal,
the
the
first
sex
time that you
seal.
have sex. The
Yeah.
first time you have sex, that is what seals the marriage, and that is what consummates the marriage and consummates the covenant, because marriage is a covenant between God and man.
Yes.
So the first time you have sex, that is when the covenant is sealed. So when the person that you're married to goes and cheats now, they break that covenant in God's
Yes.
eyes, and it
Where God
it's
said no. So this is the part of me why you tell me now, because I'm going to show you why the Bible is contradicting. So God said, the
but
moment
you
the
can't
man
see
cheats,
the
automatically him create adultery. So
according to God, yeah.
according to the Bible, him commit
Mm-hmm,
adultery, which is a fact.
mm-hmm,
But the
mm-hmm.
same Bible contradict you and tell you, say, you're married for better or for worse. So the same vows a man right.
No, you see, that is why I decided to bring this point to you, because you say you're married for better or
Right.
worse.
So the
But the
Bible is
Bible says
contradicting, darling.
the Bible says better or worse, but
Jesus
adultery
Christ,
is not a part
baby,
of the
baby,
worst.
darling.
Adultery is not
You
a
swear you
Queenie,
talk
wait
for
a
me?
second.
Hello, wait.
Queenie, wait.
No,
Adultery
you
and
wait.
infidelity.
You wait.
Okay, go
No,
ahead.
you're
Go
not
ahead,
going to
Queenie.
calm
Go
me down.
ahead.
You're
Go
going to
ahead.
hang you up.
Go
You
ahead.
wait.
Queenie, go ahead. Go ahead.
The Bible
Go ahead, I'm
said,
listening.
the Bible said many things, darling. You can't
Mm-hmm.
come to me and quote me what the Bible said. When me am married to Dwayne, what you say about
Mm-hmm.
government, me not hear nothing about that what the pastor said. My vows when I stand in front of the pastor on Elsha Beach, you're married
Mm-hmm.
for better or for worse, that's said in the Bible.
But
So now
adultery
we
is
are
not a part
telling
of the worst. That is
eh?
not a part of the worst. Adultery and infidelity is not a part of the worst that is accepted. Worse is like, okay, he loses his job, he gets sick, he loses a foot, you know,
Girl,
he gets,
listen,
that is a part of, that is what worse
hello. Are you right
is
the
not.
Bible?
No, I'm just reading what's in the Bible, because when you
But the
uphold these,
Bible say you must forgive, baby. So you now make no sense. You are really the devil side of the Bible to me.
Queenie,
And the
it's not that
same
I'm not,
Bible tell you say you
Queenie,
must forgive. So what you say to me? The
Queenie,
Bible not tell you say
Queenie,
if your man
Queenie,
fuck, you can't
Queenie,
forgive him.
Queenie, why are you shouting at me? I'm not shouting at you, Queenie.
Oh, you
I'm
know,
not
that's
shouting
some
at
talk.
all.
So if you come from my line, you have to go get bulletin. What do you mean why me assault? Come on life upside the blood clot down,
I'm
that's
just,
why me assault. What you think
okay,
I
I
do?
get that. I get that. I
Change
totally
my
get
Bible
that.
because you come with Bible lady?
No, I'm not,
How
Queenie.
much
I'm
wait there? How
Queenie.
much honor you think of the on my case? So you don't think me I go shout? I'll be aggressive. Me can't be quiet, lady.
That's true.
Thank you.
Yes,
So no
please.
disrespect
It's
to you. And
okay.
that's how I
It's
am when
okay.
I'm debating.
I get that. I get that.
Thank you.
So
So,
the reason why I
come.
brought this up is because of the fact that you said it's for better or worse. But that part, that specific part, what we call infidelity and adultery, that is not a part of the worse that the Bible is speaking about, or the
Pretty
vows are
baby,
speaking
darling. You
about.
see me a short fire, make me whisper. That part where you come for pint out for me not know that part of the
Mhm.
Bible. Me know the part of the same
Okay,
contradicting Bible, baby
It's
girl.
Malachi 2,
Me not
verse
gonna read
13
it in
to
a baby.
16.
You see the part
Okay?
of the Bible where me know what the Bible says, forgive and don't forgive. Is not the Bible say that?
But it doesn't say to forgive adultery or infidelity.
Darling, the
Because
Bible
that
never line
that
out where
ver-
you for forgive for. Don't contradict me, baby.
yes, it does in
Why
Malachi
tell us say
2,
you for
verse
forgive
13 to
for? Tell me.
16. In Malachi 2, verse
Yeah,
13 to 16,
yeah.
Jesus says that a man should not cheat on his wife
Darling,
because they made a
oh, the part where the Bible say, forgive
uh
and don't forget. What come behind it? What when which part him tell her for
No, it's
forgive? But
it's
me
it's
not talk
it's
about
it's not that you
adultery.
don't forgive. No, it does say to forgive. It does say to forgive, but
Baby, baby,
it,
throw me
it
a
does
son.
say to forgive. Queenie,
Listen,
it does say to forgive. It does say to forgive. It does say to forgive and forget. But it does
you
not
talk
say,
fast. Listen, me I
it
make too
does say
much
forgive
noise
and
and you not
forget.
understand me.
It does
Listen.
say forgive and forget, but it does say that in God's eyes, once somebody cheats, whether it's the man or the woman, that marriage
Darling,
is
can you
null
stop
and
talking about
void.
cheating? We're talking about the Bible.
And that's what we're
Understand me.
talking about.
Me upset. Wait now. I know your husband
Mhm.
this year. So you have to bear with me. Me upset or hurt or miserable.
I
If the
understand
Bible,
that.
okay. If the Bible said, my dear,
Mhm.
forgive, but don't forget. Did
Mhm.
the Bible say forgive the man when him thief your partner money? Did the Bible say forgive the man when him kicking at your belly? Did the Bible say forgive him when him stepping at your throat? Did the Bible
Mhm.
say forgive the man when him spit by you, or he just said forgive?
It says forgive, and let's stick a pin right there. It says to forgive, but because you divorce somebody, that doesn't mean that you don't have to forgive them. Just like how people get
Jesus
divorced and they
Christ. You
still,
still going back on divorce.
just
Darling,
like how people get divorced,
darling,
but they forgive
forget
each
what
other and they become
husband.
friends.
Listen to me. Hello? Me the one come see me. Where
And
you
this is
there?
not just something that I'm just speaking
Baby
out
girl,
of thin
baby
air.
girl,
This is what's in the
baby
Bible.
girl. If you're gonna quote the
Mm-hmm.
Bible to me, but darling,
Mm-hmm.
if you're gonna quote the Bible to me, you can't just sing pan divorce. That's why I sing pan the pint here. The same
The
Bible.
reason why, Queenie, the reason why I brought this specific point to you is because you keep saying that you're upholding your vows. But what I'm saying to you, according to the vows that you're upholding come from the Bible. The vows that
And
you're
the point
upholding
that I am holding
come from
on
the
to what the
Bible.
Bible said.
Wait, Queenie, give me 2 seconds. Queenie, 2 seconds. The vows that you're upholding come from the Bible.
Come on from my phone. Move your blood clot. Nobody not take the Bible and calm me down. Internet this. Somehow now lose the blood clot. Add me, make me talk. How you want to talk, say? I hope you can take shooting. And then when you come and I go ask me, Queenie, why you doing this? Don't invite to no blood clot self and not accept me for who me is. When I know I'm defenseful, I'm aggressive, I'm a terrible. Who this?
Hello, Queenie.
Aye.
So I just wanted to ask you, yeah. So I'm a married woman. I'm married to a Jamaican man. In your eyes, what do you say then it takes for the end of a marriage to come? What does my husband have
I
to do?
can't answer you that, girl. Me not sit down and live for end. Me sit down and live for and take it as that blood clot come married to a man for cherish me. I mean, I see my cherish me. So me not sit down and make no plan for my life. Me just live and take it as it come, baby.
So forgiveness is something that obviously I know you believe in.
Yeah.
Is that forgiveness for every single thing that the man does throughout the marriage, or do you have?
How your name?
Princess.
You married?
I'm married.
So when the man does something, where you go on pan it forever or you left him. How you solve your problem? You question me. Tell me how you solve your problem. Because you question me. Wait there. You question me. I said to myself, I forgive him for everything. So if I forgive him 75%, what do I do with the next 25%? Get up every day, beat him, cuss him. Or do you amend something where he already done to move on? Tell me as a wife.
So obviously, no one's not perfect. No marriage is not perfect. We go through our ups and downs.
Answer a question. We know that.
Yeah. So we talk through it. We solve our problems, but comes a stage where if there's a certain level of disrespect, I know that there's certain things that I'm not gonna accept.
Oh, you're not gonna accept it and it happened already, baby. Talk to me.
Well, no, but that would be my choice to say, all right, then I'm not putting up with this. I'm not putting up with no disrespect. I'm not putting up with.
Oh, you're still with the man. So listen what I said to you. I understand what I said to you now. I said, if the man give 100% what a problem, and you forgive him for 75, what do you do with the next 25?
No, but I don't think me personally, I don't think that within a marriage, I really believe that if a man really loves you, then he's not going to 75% disrespect you. That's what I believe.
Baby, my husband love me. Put love out of this. Don't reason and stray. You said to me, how much would I put up with a man because I'm married? Wrong or right?
Yeah, and that's why I'm trying to understand from you as a married woman.
Correctly. So, and I'm gonna break it down to you. So if you ask me, Queenie, how do I put up with a person? I said to you, no, you said if I put up with everything, that's the word.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Right. So baby girl, if the man give me 100% what I disrespect, and it's already done, how you mean me put up with it? Because myself, I forgive him?
Yeah, because...
All right, you know what the magic of that, baby? You can't take back.
Okay.
And see the take where it can't take back? You're going to get up now and you're going to sit down every day and say, I should do it. And the next time he must do it. And you're going to sit down and you're going to counsel him and you're going to tell him, say, and he might tell him, nah, go do it. And he might go fall for that and tell you, but really, he might go do it again. So see, if you don't accept life the way it is, you're going to constantly every day sit down. That is, ask me that question. Sometimes now you just stick over like my mother, yeah? Me use my example. My mother wouldn't put up half of this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, could even say that because I'm the man married so long, but as put with some people in life, you see when something happen and them straightforward say disrespect.
Mm-hmm.
Now look back, baby, them suffer themselves. Them living a silent and them torture themselves because them put them foot down. No, me's that the woman like that. Me's that woman who believes a better must come. So me try.
Yeah.
A
No,
level.
that's a beauty. To be honest, that is a beautiful thing because I can see that you're a woman that tries and you forgive. But I'm trying to establish at what stage do you say, okay, then
Nice,
disrespect has to stop now.
baby.
Where's the love? Where's the togetherness? Where's the harmony? Where does our marriage, our
Your
vows?
place for question me to ask me when it end. It's
Mm.
rude. As me myself don't know when it end.
Okay.
It becomes a bully. Because people are here planning for me.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's not your place or my place to ask when it go. And it's like when my daughter in here and sick. I'm Mr. Sharp ball for 24 hours. I'm in a know what to do. My hunger for say, Father God give me strength to deal with this. You know when you have to go end, baby.
Yeah.
And when she get up her dead, me no know say she a blood clot dead girl. So when you ask me, if me I wait till do it take me, how long you married?
5 years.
5 years. How much kids you have?
1.
One. Nice. How long? How is the marriage so far?
The marriage is good. It's nice. He's a good man. It's a happy marriage. Like, obviously we go through our ups and downs naturally, but
Every time I say he's a good man.
say that again.
Do you think you're gonna stay happy every day and say he's a good man?
No, because life is full of changes, and never know what's gonna happen. But sorry, let me just quickly say this. There's levels, and I definitely believe as a married woman, there's certain things that he expects from me as a wife, and that I expect from him as a woman. So
That's standard.
for me personally, I'm not. There's certain things that I'm not gonna accept. Like no woman wants her man to go out and cheat. No woman wants her man to block her or disrespect her.
No, accept it, darling, because you don't know of it.
Sorry?
You're going fuck your best friend. But because him know you're not going to accept it, you will never know, baby. So he's a fool to what you don't know. Me is a fool to what me know. You and the rest of them is a fool to what you don't know. So your man respect you enough for your track. The only difference is, man, it must mean son, baby. So don't get it twisted. I'm just using an example.
Yeah.
Your husband can be die out because you have real man out there who are respectable.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. But unfortunately, I didn't get one of that. So I can't vent for that.
Yeah.
Me talk about what I mind.
Yes.
So husband is a hang head and my husband. But what I'm saying to you, girls like married, when them man married, they turn them on. Say the man wife, give me this. It's a buzz. And him no want him wife and him give me this. You see them the relationship, the baby. You could have husband beat out them blood clot and tell him not to tell it. You mad? Them the kind of man there. Our deceiving. So either way you take it, the whole of the man them are drunk, baby. Because you don't like it when them tell you, and you don't like it when them hide from you. So what you going to get up every day and be responsible for them action? You can't.
No, I wouldn't. I'm not. There's no way I could be
people responsible for doing action and turn my back against him. I cannot get up and take up the way and disgrace for him and love him, baby. That can't unlove him. Me see him disrespect me, I have to respect my blood clot self and say, fuck you, do it. I hope I see the light. Me can't be doing for respect my baby girl. Me can't control doing mine. So me I go forever shout, I scream. Because everybody expect this man say him me deserve better and he's never gonna give me better because he don't fucking care. But I care. I have to make a difference, darling. I am the queen.
So you're happy that you care, but you're willing to settle that because that
baby. All right. So if me not feel happy, say me care. When me feel sad about it and go lie down ball to you again, what you want me to do? Tell.
No, it's not that what I want. I'm just trying to.
No, me I tell you, say,
your point of view.
whatever decision the man make, I am not in control of it, so I'm going to get out with my life. But like you tell me, say, the shame and the embarrassment when me I reach, me I forget out with my life. So me I ask you, what would you do? Don't get out with your life and don't defend the man and do what?
No. I'm definitely getting on with my life, and I'm leaving the marriage, even though yes, that's not what.
But baby, that's how you.
Yeah, I know. That's what you just asked me.
Tell you, say, me I go shoot to no car. You can't tell me what me for do.
No, I'm not telling you.
Every brother have a different blood clot mind.
No, you've just
Some
asked me what I
have them man and them live in a denial. So the man will never fuck on them, but the man a fuck one man, one girl next blood clot where all breed blood clot them and you call to the neighbor and don't know. I see them difference in our life, baby. Because me I'm only gone. I'm out in the world. Why things are always dashing on my face. And I like people who have private relationship when nobody don't know. So when things dashing on them face, it stay down. Yeah. I am famous, I am popular, and I'm hot. So each cousin we do it look them friend. They make a whisper and tell about them cousin. Now when the cousin tell back, I know one of my friend and they reach to me, baby. Me can't take up that from my head and mad my life, baby. Me just have to pray and hope that better come from my husband because I am that person.
No, 100%. And listen, I'm definitely one of the people. I'm not like bad mind and all. I want the best for everyone, especially in a marriage. So but
everyone cannot get the best, baby. And that's unfair. That is what people don't understand. My daughter died. If I followed people, I would die with her. That is unfair. You can't have it all in a life, baby. My husband give me beautiful time. I can't dwell upon just the bad time, baby. That's why I'm so terrible. Me not make people confuse my brains. The world make night, day. Good, bad. Sun, night. Head, tail. Why would you always expect say, me for always be the head and always happy? No, baby. Me I forget them challenge here.
Yeah, no.
It's what you call challenge and you get testimony.
No, you have to
overcome it.
I'm not saying that you're not going to get challenges because challenges have to come. It makes you
Well, you
grow.
don't sound that way, baby.
No,
the way you're saying to me, you're saying that when things get out of hand to a hand, it's like it not for happen.
No, of course.
I break it down to you and say, baby.
Of course it's got to.
That's why I draw to you until I say you can't have just good. That everybody wants just good. Why am I break it down to you?
No, man, you have to have good and bad times. I'm not saying
that the bad time now, this baby thought the bad time is I'm here, still at all our meds, and still I see where go wrong, but I still not give up.
Okay.
But the bad times is what when I try to tell me, say, I should have hide the bad times.
No, not hiding. You're a public figure. You're a public figure, so obviously people are looking towards women, young girls that are looking towards you, and you know they're thinking, okay.
Our young girls have to take me as a perfect example. I see me as a loyal woman. You have girl out there, baby, where right now, man, I kick them under them belly bottom, cut them in them face, burn them with cigarettes. You listen, not that to reach me, baby. You have girls right now. You have girls right now, baby, where they with married man. And the man disrespect them and them itch up underneath them and them can't talk. You have married women out there where cheat, baby. Man go around and treat them worse than them blood clot husband and them can't do it.
So do you believe that if a man loves a woman, yeah, or if a woman loves a man, because it works both ways, that the man is going to respect her 100%? I'm not saying that there's not going to be good and bad times, because I don't think you heard me say
it again. If you believe so,
if a man really, really 100% loves you, he's not going to put you. I'm not saying that there's not going to be bad times, you know, because fuckery's going to come.
Baby, they love you and they say and put you through anything. When they love you, them not love you more than themselves. Okay. So them always say, see them cocky stand up and them so I'm browning in that corner. Them no remember what them tell us. I just a browning them interested in. And when them done for the browning, them remember you. So, it's a catch-22. Marsh, You can't say to yourself as a young lady say. Me tell the people them they over here say I cuss for love. I said do we not love me? I don't love me, I cuss her. My husband love me. I respect. There's a difference. Do is a disrespectful youth in I'm own a little weird from before he meet me.
So this is what I'm trying to say. Shouldn't respect come naturally if you love that person? I'm not saying that fucker is not going to want.
You can't say shit. You can't get up and plan for somebody, baby. And that's the same thing I said to you, same way. You cannot stop what you're not in control of. Baby girl, what your name?
Princess.
Princess, when you go to school and you send your people them go to school, you know why them have no bad company.
Mm-hmm.
You know why them go to school late.
London Hater?
Yeah, you know why them carry knife go to school, you know why them smoke weed, don't it?
Mm-hmm. True.
And the same thing with husband, baby. Everybody want good. Everybody want the best. And so when the worst come, them ball and can't function. Well, may I make a difference. May I deal with the blood clot worse. Because that's how life go. You understand?
No, definitely. And you know
You
what?
can't get a petagay princess.
Mm-hmm.
You can't get a baby. I said to you, a petagay, and you respect yourself and you love yourself. I said, all is going to be well. No, baby.
No.
Then I eat split away gay.
Mm.
Even your mother sometime, you make you feel some type of way you never ever want to talk to her. Even your kids them sometime, push her to that point. Well, when you come back down, you have to say, number one wife, you love you. Well, number one wife. When you come back down, you have to tell yourself, say, Jesus Christ, I'm going to pick me just to that. I beat up my son at Jamaica on his 19th birthday. The little nerd one there. That's it. I'm a son, baby. And him hurt my heart, hurt me. You understand?
No, definitely.
We ain't no man, princess.
Mm.
So, princess, when me go sit down and bawl and just condemn my husband and say, true him love me, him not for hurt me. But my kids have hurt me many times. My mom hurt me many times. Me hurt them many times. So you have to look back into yourself and say life come with a balance.
Yeah.
So it's either you're going to make the love win or the hurt win.
No, definitely. But I can't look at my son in the same way that I look at my marriage. Do you understand? My son hurts me.
Humanity.
Sorry?
Baby. That's why I'm done people, baby. I fuck you attack, princess. Respect goes to everybody, whether son, daughter, or husband, baby.
No, of
So
course.
to me?
I'm not talking about respect.
That's for disrespect. You try your son, you take it.
No, I don't take no respect, but I'm saying it's
That's example. That's why I'm breaking it down to you, baby. Fair.
it's a different type of relationship.
You can't have your mother-in-law, you can't have your father-in-law, and them disrespect you. And my husband alone disrespect people, baby. So may I explain to you, if you have a daughter, I should disrespect you. But you don't only dwell by your husband where your husband do you. You don't go dwell by your wife where your wife do you. But you don't ever come to terms say I still disrespect your daughter, disrespect you.
No, but I'm just trying to say, Queenie, that it's a different type of relationship that I've got. The love for my husband, different.
Baby,
For
we
my
talk about respect.
The respect is different. Yeah, respect is respect.
Yes. You remember why I bring the argument here? When you said, because I am saying to you, you can't have just good times.
Definitely.
You have to have disrespect in every blood clot situation. So me use mother for example, grandmother, son. So this not have nothing to do with intimacy as in dugo. It has to do with humanity as a person. I am saying to you, when me use my son for example, and his 19th birthday, the rude way I'm rude to me, I felt hurt and I react. So I'm saying to you in life, it's not just man hurt woman. You understand where I come from now?
Yeah. No, definitely.
It's not just right. So for you get up and dwell as a wife, for say, because remember you asked me if you feel so when a man love you, them supposed to go and grow for respect you. And that you ask, you know. So me I sure you say, whether them grow for respect you or them love you, yes or no, a life, baby, people disrespect people. You just have to put yourself down for you. Sometimes even go work and the owner boss this year. And sometimes she don't want to lose their job. But you that get up and condemn yourself and can't function and say, oh, may have a disrespectful husband, but only your husband alone and their life. People do blood clot change and switch by you. You understand?
Now people check on you, man.
Yeah, so there's no, as you ask me, at which point, maybe it's up, man, him birthday, you know, me have to beat him up, man, him rude. I come call me Janice. I told my dad that Janice don't like. But I say, who name Janice? You, ma'am. I say, me not like you. I gotta show you who no blood clot like a bloop, bloop, bloop. Yeah. Right on the birthday last year. If me never run outside, my mother that cut me a blood clot back to Escada. So when she run for run at the back, and she say, why you licking for what? Me say, lick my back, but me run.
Oh, you stick me come off of Instagram, go hold some sleep. And on a blood clot since. The man not like you, just push up yourself now the man. You my mascot, you a mascot, you're annoying. Every blood clot day you come on the life. Every day you come on life. You ball about the way you make me hate him and you make una like him and then you come and cuss. You're stupid. You teach him how to want you and him not going to want you. Him don't want you, not even fuck him want give you. Or if I have a man who don't want to fuck you. That is so fucking sad. Or if I have a man who not even want to fuck you, you talk say him don't want to fuck you. That means him not attracted to you. You just sick.
But him fuck me at that time. But what's your
It
problem?
no matter, you're sad. You're picking them most tired of you. Not
Them,
if your daughter spirit can roam good in your house because of all your torment.
them like it.
You're
Come now.
too torment, man. Blood clot. It annoying. Every day you come over and about like a blood clot fool. And then, oh, do it loud, do it loud. You're fucking stupid. You're
Girl,
too stupid. Use a mascot. Use a mascot. It annoying. You can block me and lock me off. It annoying. And you're picking them, maybe don't want to tell you about it because them, you're teaching this man how to love you. Him don't like you. Him not
talk.
like a bone in you.
You
Him
dirty
don't like a bone in you. You're
driver.
sick stomach.
Girl, come fuck me for the way. Come fuck me and take up my sorrow. Move your dirty blood clot and come suck out this. Move. I suck you and suck my pussy. Go. Move your blood clot. You should run. Move your annoying blood clot. Come off for this. You don't see me not take you off. You can't take the eat. You come out of the blood clot kitchen. You don't see me not cut you off. My bad no blood clot. Who else want come class me? Come.
How you feel about doing a take pussy from next girl?
I want you give me something I like.
Enough girl suck pussy. And I like suck your pussy because your pussy nasty.
I don't want something nasty pussy. I can't
Enough girl sit down on him face.
lie.
Enough girl sit down on him face. So you think say you know him? You don't know him?
You don't know him either. If you didn't know him,
Queenie can't take the truth.
girl, talk no man. Talk. Talk no girlfriend. You gone? Move your dirty blood clot. Come back. May I wait? Come read out my dirty blood clot rights. Come. Hello? What happened? . Yeah, back to the reason now. Anything touch me, be a gunshot. Yeah. And that me lead to from husband disrespecting RT in blood
I
clot.
teach you science. Anytime you bring me, you show you this. You notice me come up here without you call me. I go come off again and show you this. Watch this.
Who this? So why this freeze? I swear me just hear RT from my phone. Dirty blood clot do it. I you make RT want fuck me. RT come from my life now, make me see how bad your blood clot is with your magic. Go and do it. I desperate, my blood clot desperate. You make girl attack, so them a suck your blood clot, pussy boy you put up or down. Me no want you respect me do it. Me do it. Me I get back a dose of your own dirty blood clot medicine. Any man who want come blood clot, look me and flirt with me. Move your dirty blood clot doing Scarlet. Me's a blood clot 0 plus not. I can't hear me. Any blood clot, by the way, want back to me. Do it. Move your dirty blood clot and go hide back under your shell where you used to. Why you put up status? You can't blood clot, think you can banter me do it. My bad na blood clot. My better than you put
Hey, Queenie, our mascot, you know.
What happened?
Your mascot are here still, you know, Queenie.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ. No, man, I'm traumatized, Queenie. Where you go out with no now, man?
Rejected door.
Oh, you go out with a tremendous mascot. This never, in a history, we never see such a mascot yet to blood clot.
And cough.
Oh, man.
You look
Queenie,
like
your mascot picture, you can't live, so you're yam plantation, Queenie. Queenie is a whole yam plantation. You're literally a yam farm, Queenie. Bumbleclad, no man. This have to stop, Queenie.
like I rejected.
Queenie, focus on your career, Queenie, and try to do something, Queenie. You can't just come for life and embark. Me don't like Queenie, you need to change your name.
You need you look
Yes,
like them
Queen of the Yams to blood clot. Me never saw a mascot so yet. What you say?
You look like when them bombs dead. Look, I want
A
coffee.
Robins me have on. Queenie, the Queenie is straight from the pint. Queenie, what I'm saying. You're in the history of my 34 years. I've never seen such a mascot. Queenie, you said history.
Thank you. That's the fucking.
You said history with you, Queenie, no man. Queenie, you deserve a standing ovation, man. Bumbo clap. Mr. Queenie, you know do it yet, yo.
If you look like you know, I'm coughing.
Queenie, you know do it yet, yo. Queenie, you just get up every day, Queenie. You know, from when me the party life and I sleep. Queenie, me couldn't sleep because I want you add me, Queenie. Jesus Christ, man.
How do you like
Queenie don't know, no?
the blood clot?
Queenie don't know, no, Queenie.
The fuck are you dirty old dead?
Queenie don't know, no, Jesus Christ. Queenie, me head at me. Queenie is a mascot of the century, Queenie. Queenie is a tremendous mascot, Queenie. Like history this. Me don't want to see them, the Queenie.
That make you care.
Queenie, you said history.
You said
Me said 2023, you're going to know in a history. This is a history.